A clever fox and a kind stork were neighbors. One day, the fox tricked the stork. He served delicious soup, but he served it on a shallow plate. The stork, with her long beak, couldn't eat a single drop. Later, it was the stork's turn. She invited the fox and served food in a tall, narrow jar. The fox could smell the food, but his wide face couldn't reach it. The fox felt ashamed.
Moral: treat others the way you want to be treated. Tricks can backfire.